Experiencing payment problems with T-Mobile? You're not alone. This section dives into the most common issues, billing errors, autopay failures, and card declines, and provides immediate steps you can take to resolve them. For advanced solutions to prevent future T-Mobile payment issues, start by contacting your bank if you experience repeated card declines, especially during travel. Ensure T-Mobile charges aren't flagged as suspicious by your bank's security systems. Utilize virtual card numbers through services like Apple Pay for enhanced security and fewer declines. Try T-Mobile's digital payment options like Klarna for increased payment flexibility. Enable predictive alerts in the app to anticipate issues 48 hours ahead. Familiarize yourself with the arbitration process for resolving major billing disputes.